Hi, I'm Andy Gorman. Today we're going to talk about a situation where you forgot your Wi-Fi password. Maybe you disconnected from the network, and then, for some reason, the system requires you to enter the password again, or you want to connect to the network from another device. Now, I will show you how to quickly find out the passwords to all Wi-Fi networks you have ever connected to from your computer. So, let's get started. In the search, type command prompt and go into it. Now we will need to enter two commands. The first command will display a list of all the Wi-Fi networks that are stored on your computer. Enter. Here they are. Find the network we want to get the password from. Let's say it's Skynet. Enter the second command. In quotes, we specify the name of the desired network. In this case, it's Skynet. Enter. The computer will display various information about the network. We are interested in the key content item. Here we will see the password we are looking for. I will give the commands used in the description of this video. Rejoice! Subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. We offer free technical support for our subscribers. So please subscribe and ask your question in the comments below this video. We'll try to respond immediately if the problem is straightforward or create a video solution. We'll be happy to assist you. See you.